The sides A, B, and C of a triangle ABC are given. A equals 25, B equals 36, and C equals 45 units. We need to determine the following. Okay, let us begin. So first, let's note down all the given information. So here we have the side A of the triangle ABC given by 24 units. Side B, that equals to 36 units. C is going to be equals to 45 units. Now using the sides A, B, and C, we can find out the perimeter of A plus B plus C. This is going to be equals to, so 36 plus 24, that's going to be 60. 60 plus 45, that's going to be 105. Now we're going to divide both sides with 2. We get A plus B plus C whole divided by 2. That's going to be 105 divided by 2. The reason why we divided both sides by 2, because A plus B plus C over 2 by definition is the semi-perimeter of the triangle denoted by the letter S in lowercase. So we have S value equals to 105 over 2. Or we can say that 2S is going to be equals to 105. We'll be using this value. Now, coming to the first part of the problem, our goal is to find out sine B over 2. Now, there is a standard half-angle formula to obtain sine B over 2. Now, this is given by the square root of S minus C times S minus A divided by AC. Now, we substitute the value. So, we have the square root of the S, that's going to be 105 divided by 2 minus C. So, C corresponds to 45. Multiplied to 105 over 2 minus A, so A, that's 24, whole divided by AC. So A, that's 24, C is 45. When we compute this value, it comes out to be approximately 0.444. Okay, now let's go to the second part of the problem. We need to find out cosine of B over 2. So cosine of B over 2, it also has a standard formula. The cosine of B over 2, that's given by the square root of S times S minus B divided by AC. Let's compute this value as well. So we have the square root of S. S corresponds to 105 divided by 2 multiplied to 105 over 2 minus B. So B here is 36. So we have 36 divided by A times C. So here A times C, that means we have 24 multiplied to 45. 24 multiplied to 45. This value comes out to be approximately 0.896. Okay, now coming to the final part of the problem, we need to find out the value of the part 3 is sine of B. Now sine of B, we can use the standard formula. So sine of B is given by 2 times the sine of angle B over 2 multiplied to cosine of B over 2. So we've already computed these two values. Sine of B over 2, that's 0.444 multiplied to cosine of B over 2, that's 0.896. So that's going to give us an approximate value. Now that is going to be equals to 0.796.